Aston Martin has announced the release of the DBS 770 Ultimate, the most powerful and fastest DBS to date. The DBS 770 Ultimate is the last word in luxury and performance, featuring a quad-cam 60-degree 5.2-liter V12 engine that produces 770 PS and 900 Nm of torque. This powerful engine allows the DBS 770 Ultimate to reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Available in both Coupe and Volante form, only a limited number will be produced, 300 Coupes and 199 Volantes, and all have already been sold. The DBS 770 Ultimate also features a unique transmission calibration, carbon ceramic braking system, a solid mounted steering column, and an adaptive damping system for a truly connected driving experience. The car's design has also been amplified to present an assertive and unique aesthetic.